Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Registry Editor on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. To disable the Registry Editor, first click on this one Start button, then type Registry, and in the search results, click on this one Registry Editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button. Now you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to policies key in the left sidebar. Under this, you should find a system folder. In case it does not exist, select this one policies key, right click on it, select here new and then key option and name it system. After that, select this one system key and on the right sidebar in the pre space right click, select here new and then debug 32-bit value option, name it disable registry tools. Now click outside, then double click on this one registry tools key and set its value data to 1 and then click on this one OK button. Close the registry editor and restart your PC. This will disable registry access to your Windows PC. Whenever you will try to open Registry Editor on your Windows PC, you will see a message. The Registry Editor has been disabled by your administrator. In case you want to enable it, click on this one Start button. Type here gpedit.msc. In the search results, click on this one gpedit.msc entry to open group policy editor on your Windows PC. In case you use Windows Home Edition, you will not find this one group policy feature on your Windows PC. You need to enable it. I will provide the link in this video description. In case you need to enable group policy, you can refer to that video. After opening Group Policy window, select User Configuration. Under this, double click on this one Administrative Templates. Then double click on this one System folder. On the right sidebar, you will find a policy name that says Prevent Access to Registry Editing Tools. Double click on this one policy and select here Disabled option to enable Registry Editor on your Windows PC. Then click on this one Apply button. Then click on this one OK button. Now close this one Group Policy Editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes. That's all about this video.